And what do we need for this project? Birchwood?
Yeah, we need birchwood.
What else?
Trace the stick.
Do we need hacksaws? Jacob is ready for his hacksaw. Look at his face. Be careful, guys, because Jacob has an hacksaw in his hands. Okay, now one holds, one cuts, and then vice versa.
Okay, guys, I have to take it out now. So this is hard to take out. So I'll do this.
Turn it around. Go, 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 guys, my God. Whoa.
Okay, guys, we give up about cutting, so we're gonna start cracking. I can hold a little too. You want me to help? Because these are little slippers.
This is going to be a huge birdhouse.
Hey guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's keep on working. Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna make a box out of this wood, and then we found a way to make the other side. We made some of these sticks, a couple of these sticks, and water.
Okay, so those are going to be the sides of your birdhouse, right?
So be careful with that Gorilla Glue, because it's Gorilla strong. Now we're gonna put this on the stick. A lot is tantissimo in Italian. All over it?
Okay. Are you putting a lot of glue?
I can put more than that.
Yeah, I think that you should put another one too, Robert. Take one that is the same length.
Okay, guys, remember this now. Go with it's already, I gotta put.
Wow. Be careful not to let it fall.
Okay, guys, we made it through.
Did you really go through?
Yeah. Turn it around.
Turn it around, guys.
Turn it around. Okay, go put the other one in here. So now, Robert, no, I'm gonna do it.
Alright, the holes there.
Yes, got it.
Got it? Ready?
So I'm gonna cut it off, and I'm gonna put the band-aid on it.
Band-aid? Yeah, it's not a band-aid.
This is like a shot, and we're shotting the person, and these are the band-aids.
Okay,
We
now
get 4 band-aids.
what's next? Jacob, are you getting ready the walls? The walls ready?
We have to make the walls, guys.
We're gonna make the walls.
Do it. Now, Jacob's gonna put that right there.
You're gonna glue it. You're gonna put the first wall on.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna put some gloves.
Gorilla glue.
You have to hold it. Okay? Now I'm gonna brush it. Brush. For Jacob. Jacob's gonna brush.
Okay, great. So now you're gonna hold it still.
Guys, it looks like a house like this.
It looks like a house.
Yep.
Let's hope that it's gonna stay up like a house.
Don't forget to take it off. First, why are my hands so shaky? Okay, take my hand off. Because it's gorilla strong.
It's gorilla strong. Okay, let's put it on the outside. What are you doing now?
I'm putting it like this.
Why? It's gonna make it stronger.
Yep. Board. Yeah!
Wow!
Okay, guys. Now we're gonna put on the second wall, and all the gorilla tape is on his face and fingers.
Yeah, well. We're gonna see
what
that.
do we do with this tape? What don't I do with tape? Like
What?
you have to put it sideways now, like it already is. This is the sideways now. Hey guys, so now we're gonna make an L upside up.
Side up.
Okay. Actually, it's called right side. So I'm gonna put one on the inside. Whoa!
Oh, you have to work together, guys. One has to hold, one has to put it. One has to hold, one has to put it. Teamwork! Teamwork!
Hey guys, we're gonna put an L.
This birdhouse became a gorilla house. Not because any gorilla is gonna live in it, but it's because we made it with gorilla glue, gorilla tape.
Gorilla everything. Or you can do it over first, but then it can stand.
Yeah, I will do it on the side first. Okay, now put on the other wall and then you can tape it
No,
better
that's not
after.
the other wall, that's the roof.
That's the last wall.
So we're almost done. And then when we do the roof, we get to paint. And then we put bird seeds in it.
Yay.
Yeah, that was.
How do you like your house so far?
It's going good. We make some L's inside.
Oh, you're gonna get, what are they?
We forgot this L.
Oh, you have
We
elves.
forgot L. We forgot
I thought that you guys said elves.
L.
Is this solid, guys?
Yeah, it's a soccer. It's solid as a circus elephant to me.
It's solid as a circle elephant? How do you say the elephant in Italian? Elefante!
It's solid as a rock.
Okay, guys, put it in.
Oh, yeah.
Let's keep it going.
I'm making L, but inside. No.
Yeah, you can do it. Like, that is perfect. Like, what Robert did is just perfect. Do the same, Jacob.
Well, move your hand.
Okay. Certainly going to be...
I don't think you should be a builder when you grow up. No.
None of us.
No,
Thank
I-
God that Daddy
when I grow
and
up-
Papa are not builders, right?
When I grow up, I'm gonna be a Pokemon expert.
Wow! You're setting the bar very high.
Me too.
Oh, wow, guys.
Cause I love Pokemon.
Oh, yeah. That's a good one.
So we're.
What about astronauts or engineers?
Guys, I need to measure this. Well, if you go in space, how can you come back?
Come back.
In a rocket ship?
Yeah.
So, do squirrels need to bend their tails when they get in? I think they do.
Probably, yeah. Not sure, but I don't think they're gonna mind if they like the nuts.
Oh,
Squirrels go nuts for the nuts. Now put the roof on.
it's solid as a rock.
Let's see how it's gonna look with the roof. How do you say roof in Italian? You're putting the roof on? Oh, what happened?
Oopsie.
Oopsie, it's got the cut off.
But it's still hold it.
Put it, make sure it's in the middle, because as little rain as possible. gonna fall in, which is still, I think, quite a bit. We should have made a bigger roof, but hey, oopsie.
So we need
To put one on the bottom for sure, guys. And on the other side,
Look, and we need this way is
so it's 14 by 16.
4. No, it's actually 5. No, it's actually
Stick it on top first.
it's 12 inches. Now you can let it go.
Ta-da! Oh, you wanna paint it?
Finally, we're gonna get ready to paint. So I'm starting with red.
What about you?
I'm gonna go blue.
So rosso e blu,
Orange.
orange, oh,
Orange is over there.
arancione, arancione,
Now we need green.
verde, ecco il verde.
I need yellow.
Abbiamo giallo,
Yes, we had
we have yellow.
yellow.
Where is the yellow? It's right in front of you.
Oh, forgot.
I didn't see it because it was behind the house. Whee!
So it doesn't matter because we got the same colors.
Okay, let's go.
But we just need.
White,
Oh.
road.
Oh, now we'll only use this one.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Too. Some of mine broke, anyways. But how does yours work? Oh.